Hello everyone, welcome to Pavane Teachers. Today I came with a topic that is bitwise operators in C language. These are the bitwise operators which are there in C language. First one is and bitwise operator and it is indicated with ampersand symbol. And the next is or bitwise operator and it is indicated with pipe symbol. And the next is not bitwise operator, it is indicated with negation symbol. And the next is XOR bitwise operator and it is indicated with pipe symbol. And these two are right shift and left shift and these are indicated with greater than and less than symbols. Okay, now by using C program I'll explain how these bitwise operators works. Okay, now here I am taking two numbers to perform AND operation. Okay, after taking the numbers, here in the result I am giving as num1 ampersand and num2. And I'll explain how this works. To perform AND operation, we should know the conditions. That is, the both value should be 1, only then the result will be 1. Okay, if both values are not 1, then it will result as 0. Here we can see in the example, I am taking numbers as 3 and 5. These bitwise operators works after converting into binary operators, binary numbers. Okay, and these are the binary equivalent numbers for 3 and 5. Okay, now I'll explain how AND operation works. In the first place of this 5 is 1 and here in the first place it is 1, so both are 1 and it will result as 1, and in the second place it is in the second place it is having 0 and this number is having 1, so both are not 1, so it will result as 0. Okay, in the third place this number is having 1 and this number is having 0, so it will result as 0 as both are not 1. In the last numbers both are 0, so it will give us 0 only. Okay, which is equivalent to 1 in decimal values. Okay, I'll save this code and will execute, and here I am giving the numbers as 3 and 5 and the result is 1. Okay, this is how AND operation works. And now I'll perform OR operator by using pipe symbol. Okay, the same numbers I'm taking. OR condition is at least one number should have the value of 1. Okay, and we'll check with these numbers. And here in the first place it is both are having 1, so directly we can write as 1. And in the second place it is having 0 and then this number is having 1, so at least 1 it is having, which results as 1. Okay, in the third place it is having 1 and this is having 0, so at least 1 it is having in the third place, so we'll give as 1. In the last fourth place both are having 0, so it will result as 0. Okay, this number which is equivalent to 7. This is how OR operator works. Okay, we'll check this by execution. And the numbers I give is 3 and 5 and which result is 7. Okay. Now I'll explain XOR operator. Okay. Here I'll give as cap symbol which indicates we are doing XOR operator. And the same numbers I'll take, and here the condition for XOR is these both inputs should have different values. That means like 0 and 1 or 1 and 1 or 0, only then it will result as 1. Okay, otherwise it will give us 0. Okay, now we'll check with these examples. In the first place it is having, this number is having 1 and this number is having 1, both are same, so it will result as 0. In the second place it is having 0 and this number is having 1, so both are different, so it will result as 1. Okay, in the third place it is having 1 and it is having 0, both are different, so it will give us 1. Okay, in the fourth place 0 and 0 both are same, so it will result as 0. See, while performing these operators, we have to go from right side to left side, okay. And this number which is equal to 6 in decimal numbers. Now we'll check by executing this. I'll give numbers as 3 and 5, and result is 6, okay. And now I'll perform not operator for one number. Not operator is used for performing only single number, okay. Here we have to give negation. And for not operator, if it is 1 it will result as 0, if it is 0 it will result as 1, okay. For this number, now I'll take the same numbers, 0 and 0101, okay. Now, no, here we have to take only the single number. I'll take the number as 3, which is equivalent to 0011, okay. I'll perform the not operator for this number, and in the first place it is having 1, so it will result as 0, and the second place it is having 1, and again it will result as 0, and in the third place it is having 0, it will result as 1, and in the last it is having 0, so again it will result as 1, okay. This is equivalent to -4, okay. In further videos I'll explain how this number turns as minus numbers, okay. Now we'll check by execution. I'll give number as 3, as I have given there as two numbers. Again I'll give, like, while in the scanf I mentioned as two numbers, so I'm giving here as 5, okay. And but it will perform only with number 1, as I have given here only the number 1, it will perform with only one number, no need to bother with taking the second number, okay. Now we'll check the result. It is giving result as 4, okay, and it is working. This is how and or and not XOR operators works in C language. In next video I'll explain right shift and left shift. Do subscribe for further videos. Thank you for watching.